Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, guys, and you have a problem where you're trying to find the fuse for the climate control or the climate control heater doesn't work. Stay with us, we'll explain that today. You have up to 2 fuses, so make sure to stay until the end. One of them is a little bit hidden. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now, let's go ahead and start with the first fuse box. It's going to be under the hood. We're going to open the hood, support it, okay, right here. And let me show you guys, okay, what we have specifically, okay, here. That's the fuse box in the corner, as you can see. And if you open it on the back side, there is a tab that you push up, then you go up and forward, okay. That's the tab right here. Now, if you put it this way, it corresponds to the layout right here, and let me show you which fuse now it is, okay, for that specific one. So if you look right here, we need to find fuse number 10, okay, which is located right here. So if you look, that's for the climate control, guys. That fuse you need to check, this one here. If you want to see how to test the fuse or relay, I'll put the links in the description of the video below to videos that explain that step by step. Now we have one more that we need to check, and we need to go inside the vehicle. It is pretty easy. You just go to the passenger side. There is one cover that you need to remove here. We have a video that explains how to do that. If you don't know, just check out the video about where are the fuses located on Ford C-Max. Now I'm going to support, okay, the camera right here. I'll zoom in a little bit, and if you look, guys, now, okay, the fuse that we need to find is fuse number 71, which is that 10 amp fuse, okay, right here. Next to the top right corner of the fuse, you see the number. That's it, right there, 71. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with the climate control. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.